model came with two separated heads and one on the bar, which can be used for edges, the top part. Well, normally these ones come separately, but with this one, it's a very good thing that you can have it, and you can just use it if in case you need it. It is there. So storing this part is not that difficult, and which is a very good feature. And apart from this part, we got two heads. One is for the floor basically, the other one is for the animals. At the moment I don't have cat or dog, but I'm using it for other cleaning, like getting rid of the hair, which basically that one still does anyway, but other parts I use these. And putting all this together is not that much difficult, and it doesn't take that much time. In this model, if in case you just need to just hoover simply without like something has fallen and then you just want to clean it quickly without being in need of these kind of heads, you can use this one, which most the hoover, it comes separately, but in this one it has been on it, so that's very good for storing. And for putting all these pieces together, you can just simply add this one, easy, and it's very easy to use. Easy to add the bar here. For the using setting, we got 1, 2 and the turbo. You can have from different speeds, which all of them doing great, but the turbo one is the magnificent one, but all of them works. Other features of this great hoover is that on any of surfaces this works fine. You don't actually need to do anything. I mean, in some of the hoovers you need to change this, when you get to different surfaces you need to change the setting, but in this one you can just use it on any surface, but it's not recommended to use it for the wet, like gathering the water from the floor. One good feature about this model is, you can actually, when you turn it on, and that part you can see the light turns on, which is great if you want to use it for under surfaces. It gives you good view of what is going on, if it is clean, it's not clean yet. cleaning this part, it is actually, you can just simply take this off, or you don't need to take it off. Actually, it's very easy to remove it by just pulling this and then just take it out, which is brilliant because in some of the brands I've seen you need to open actually with the screwdriver from the sides, but with this one it's easy peasy. Then you just need to make sure that it goes from other side in the right place, and then it's done. Simple as that. You just take it off, clean it, and then just simply put it back. Simple as that. For the animal care one, actually you just need to push this one and then simply it's out. Once you are done from the side, you can simply put it back and then it is done. Emptying the bin is very easy. You just push this button, it is out, and then you can just simply put it back. But once it is out, you can simply press this part, it is out, empty the container, and if you like you can wash it. It's recommended to be washed at least once in a month, so but make sure that once you washed it you dry it properly, or once it is dried put it on your vacuum and then just use it. That's a lot of dust for just a small place. Reaching to those edges is very easy with this one. One of the problems that normally I have with other hoovers that I have is that when I reach to the rocks, to my rock, with this part they used to go on a stalk, but with this one you just release them quickly, easily, without me needing to stop actually the hoover. I just can take them out without my rug being damaged or even need the hoover to be stopped. So it's a very great thing for me, at least for these kind of rocks, that if you got it, it works fine with them and it doesn't give them any damage. And this is what my rock has been through. Install it on the wall. This is a wall mount, actually can be installed on the wall, and you can put that on a wall, or you can just store it in a cabinet or anywhere that you are more convenient with. But the charging is a bit more like contactless part, rather the plug-in. You just need simply just get it close, and as you can see it's magnetic and it just charges brilliantly.
Once it is fully charged, its runtime is 65 minutes.